Hello students, let us see this question from CSIR-Net June 2012, Net June 2012. And in this question, they are saying the component of arbitrary direction n, the spin half particle is measured. So we have to measure the component of spin angular momentum of spin half particle in any arbitrary direction n cap. So I'm using the spherical polar coordinate system. You have I, you have a K, and you have a I is here, you have a J is here, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And now I want to measure the component of spin angular momentum of half particle in any random direction n cap. So say this is my n cap direction, say let us say direction n cap. So this angle is theta. We know, say if this is r, you say r cap direction or you say n cap direction. So you have here, say this is your r sine theta. If I say this angle is phi, so this become r cos phi sine theta. And similarly, you can write y component and z component also. So if I write say r value r, so spherical coordinate system r is your I cos phi r cos phi sine theta plus j r sine theta sine phi, and then you have a k r cos of theta. This is the direction r. And now n cap. So n for n cap, I can write this will become, you have to divide by r. If you want to find n cap, this will be r divided by magnitude r. So this will become I cos phi sine theta plus j sine theta sine phi, and then you have k cos of theta. Okay, so I can write I is I sx plus j sy plus k sz, and I have to take dot product in order to find the component. I have to take dot product with I nx plus j ny plus k cap nz, where nx is what? Nx is this one. Nx is your cos phi sine theta, ny is your sine theta sine phi, and nz is your cos of theta. Okay, because this I can write as a nx plus j ny plus k cap nz. Now just I know the things. Now I can take, I can find the matrix. So matrix will give me u nx sx plus ny sy plus nz sz. Now nx is cos phi sine theta. Sx is h cut by 2 0 h cut by 2 h cut by 2 0 1 1 0. Ny is sine theta sine phi, and this become y is 0 minus iota h cut by 2 or plus iota h cut by 2. Sy matrix is 0 minus iota, so I'm multiplying by h cut by 2, and then you have here 0, and then you have a cos theta, and matrix for sz is h cut by 2 0 0 minus h cut by 2. So this is the matrix. Now let us multiply these angles here, and we have to add the matrix. Okay, so if I add the matrix, what will become? So say this is my, if I add the matrix, so my S dot n cap becomes here 0 and here cos theta h cut by 2. So h cut by 2 cos theta, and here you'll come h cut by 2 cos phi sin theta, cos phi sin theta. Okay. Similarly here also minus, this place you have minus iota h cut by 2 sin theta sin phi. Similarly here you have h cut by 2 cos phi sin theta, and then plus iota h cut by 2 sin theta sin phi. So this is the one element one, and one more element is here. This is minus h cut by 2 cos of theta. So we have 4 total. Okay. Now S dot n cap will become so this become h cut by 2 cos of theta, and this become, if I take sin theta common, h cut by 2 sin theta common, then this become cos phi minus iota sin phi, that is e power minus iota phi. And similarly this become h cut by 2 sin theta, and this become e plus iota phi, and here you have minus h cut by 2 cos of theta. So this is my matrix. Okay. Now let us take, and I want to find the eigenvalues. So in order to find the eigenvalues, what I can do, eigenvalues of S dot n. So this I'm writing, this is a matrix A. So A minus lambda I, determinant 0. So this will become h cut by 2 cos of theta minus lambda. Okay, h cut by 2 sin theta e power minus iota phi. Similarly, h cut by 2 sin theta e power iota phi, and then you have minus h cut by 2 cos theta minus lambda, and put it equal to 0. And now just we need to solve this one in order to find the eigenvalues. So this will give me h cut square by 4 cos theta minus lambda, and this is a minus, we can take common. So this become cos theta plus y, cos theta plus lambda, and this is a minus h cut square 4 sin square theta. This iota phi will be cancelled, so you have only sin square theta equals to 0. Now let us, final step, we need to solve this one. So we have now h cut square 4. This will give me cos square theta plus lambda cos, or you can directly write this one, a plus b, a minus b. So cos square theta minus lambda square minus h cut 4 sin square theta equals to 0. Minus is there. Minus h cut by 4, if you take common, you get cos square theta plus sin square theta and minus lambda square equals to 0. This become 1. This become 1. So you have h cut minus h cut 4 and plus lambda square equals to 0. And this gives me lambda square equal to h cut by 4 and lambda value plus minus h cut by 2. So this is the solution Option D is the correct answer for this question. Hope you like this one, Nishal. Thank you very much.